Okay, let's browse the admin. It is admin. Okay, let's now move to business. The admin. It's high time you watch. Now let's start installing the script. So to install this kind of e-commerce platform, let's open our Chrome. Try that, open a new tab and search for codelist.cc. Okay, this codelist.cc. Click on this. Okay, copy this link, to a new tab, paste, then enter. Click the download button to download. Okay, so already downloading. So I've downloaded mine before, so I'm going to cancel it. Make sure you download yours completely. I'm going to cancel it. After complete download, just click on this three button icon, go to download, click on download. I'm going to see your get your downloaded script here. Yeah, I'm going to see it. Just click on show in folder. After that, right click on it and extract. I've extracted it before, so I'm going to cancel it because I've extracted the script before. So make sure you extract yours completely. After complete extraction, you search for the script. Make sure you know where it is. This is mine. Okay, now we're going to open a new tab. Then log into your cPanel. So I'm going to log into my cPanel. It's loading. Okay, so that. Scroll down and look for file manager. This is my file manager. Click on it. After that, scroll down. You search for your domain name and search for your domain name or your public HTML. Okay, search for your subdomain or your public HTML. That's where you're going to upload the script. Is it inside your public HTML or any of your subdomains? Okay, I have something in my public HTML, so I'm going to insert it. I'm going to upload it into my public, into my subdomain. Okay. This is my subdomain. When you click on it, so this is where I'm going to upload my script. So click on upload. Click on select file. Okay, now let's go to downloads. Let's search for our script. The name of our script is active eCommerce. It is it. Okay, this is what we're going to install. The install file, that was what I'm going to upload. Okay, click on it. Click on it. Click on open. Okay, it's already uploading. So let's give it some minutes in order for it to upload completely, and then we continue. Okay, that has been uploaded completely 100%. Okay, let's click on go back. Okay, this is our file that we just uploaded recently. Okay, let's extract the file. Click on extract. Now let's wait till it extracts completely. Okay, it has extracted completely. You click on close. Okay, this is the extracted file. Double click on it. Select all. Click on move. Erase this install. Now click on move files. Okay, we move the file to our root folder. Then let's delete the folder itself where we move some folder out one. So we don't need it again, so let's delete it. And I've deleted it. Now let's create our database. Let's create our database in our cPanel. cPanel tools. search for my SQL. I click on it. Give it any name you wish to give it. eCommerce, database. Go back. Scroll down. Now we are going to add new user. We are creating new user and we are going to give it a password also. So I'm going to ecom user password. Give it password. You click on create user. Okay, created. Now click on go back. Scroll down. Now let's add the user to the database. Click on this, choose the user we created recently. That's ecom user. Where is it? This is what I created recently. Then choose the database we created recently also. That's ecom. Okay, click on add. Click on all privileges. Scroll down. Click on make changes. And go back. After complete. Okay. Now let's open a new tab to check our website. Start installation. Okay. Type your domain name or your subdomain. My subdomain is eCommerce. Wait, let me check. E-class. No, that's not it. This is okay. Start installation process. During the installation process, we'll check if the files that are needed to be written have right permission. We'll also check if start installation process. Step 1. Okay. purchase code, this meeting. Okay, database hosts, local host, database name, the name I created recently for the database. Let's go and copy it. Okay, this is what I created recently. I'm going to copy it. Copy. I'm going to paste. Now the database username. Let me copy that also. So it is the username. I'm going to paste this also. Now the password. Input a password that you created recently, and now hit the continue button to move to the next process. Now the database is successfully connected. All you need to do now is hit the install button. Auto installer will run SQL file. Now let's create our admin name. My admin name will be Adelux. Email, admin email, Adelaku. Password, currency, let me leave it at dollar. Okay, fill this form with basic information and admin login credential. This is what we are going to use to log into admin panel. So make sure you note whatever you want you've inputted. Okay, let's move on. We choose dollar as our currency. Click on continue. You have successfully completed the installation process. Please log in to continue. Configure the following settings to run the system properly: SMTP, payment method configuration, social media login configuration, Facebook chat configuration. So you are going to configure some of these once we log in. Demo account added for test purpose. Customer seller. So let's just copy this customer seller, this password, so that whenever I want to log, just let's copy this, so that whenever I just want to check something there, I can check it by using this login details. Okay, Now let's log into the admin panel. Active eCommerce CMS. Welcome to login to your account. Okay, we've logged in into our what's admin panel. The website is still loading. Yes, it's still loading. Yes, it has loaded completely. So let's do some little configuration or little customization. Setup and configuration. Let's go to settlements. Let me check the general settings. System name. Let's name it Adelux Shop. System logo. Let's just put anything there. Just add a logo there. Like this. It's uploading. Yes. Add file. Okay. Okay, click on update. The setting updated successfully. Okay, let's do other things also. Feature activation. Check this feature activation. HTTPS activation. Okay. After activating of the cash on delivery of seller product will be managed by admin. Admin approval on seller product. Email verification. You need to configure system correctly to enable this feature. So for us to use this feature, we need to configure our SMTP. Payment related. So to use all these payments, you need to configure them.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Check website setup. Let's configure something. Let's check some other things. Let's try to add new product. Product name. Let me name it shoe. Brand Adidas. Weight 10 kg. The unit. Minimum purchase quantity 1. Shoe. Let me name it any tag. Let me give it select brand, demo brand. Tag. I'm just trying to show. Let me upload now. Browse. I don't have any. I'm just upload this. Do that. Add file. Now, let me save. I'm saving. Product category is card and main category is card. Okay. I haven't given it a product category. I'm choosing a category. Video provider. Video link. You have a video link, you put it here. The link you put it here, just choose a video. Is it YouTube? Is it Daily Motion? Is it Vimeo? So any of it. Product price, start unit 1. Unit price. You can put the product description here. Discount type, you can choose the discount type. You want to give the discount flat or percent. Tax. $1,000. See meta tags. Let's put something here and then save. Main category. So this should be used for commission-based calculation and unpaid category buys product show. This should be used for commission-based calculation. So commission. Okay. So save and publish. This guy must be less than 0. Discount must be less than 0. Okay. Do it -5. Save and publish. Again, easy here. Must be less than 0. Purchase has been inserted successfully. Okay. Sure. Thanks for watching. Video is going to stop for today. So image is not showing why. Blah blah, you will enter a thumbnail. Okay, let's save. Update product. Okay, product has been updated successfully. Yes. Okay. and you updated successfully. Let's see all products. I see the thumbnail is already there. So it's because we did not set the product, that's why we're not showing. Base price, no price. Okay, instructions for where to set the price. Unit price. Okay, I'm gonna give it this. Scroll down, date. Updated successfully. Okay. Now we have our price. Number of sales 0 times. It's still 0. So our product. So it's gonna look like top selling products.